Hey y'all, so I am just finishing washing and conditioning my hair. I have been using the Olaplex Bond Maintenance Shampoo and Conditioner. This is what the bottle looks like. It's the number 4. And then I have the conditioner here, it's number 5. And so Olaplex hit me up also and asked if they could send me some things, and they did. And so it's the same, the 4 and the 5. And then they also sent this oil look, no, is it the oil looking stuff? Or it might be like some other type of something. I'll show y'all. But so yeah, so I have that, and I'm gonna continue to use it because it really makes my hair feel so good. My hair feels so soft, and I love that my hair is healthy, even though it's short. I mean, you're supposed to have short and healthy hair too. But yeah, I am just grateful for how my hair is turning out and looking, the sheen after blow drying and, you know, things like that. So I'm about to blow dry my hair, and I'm gonna blow dry it with the Babyliss Pro Titanium blow dryer. About to blow dry my hair, and then I'm going to flat iron it as well. So I'm almost done blow drying my hair. I just want to make sure that I get deep into like the back area because it's the shortest, and if you don't have like a really good blow dry, like the roots need to be, you know, they need to be stretched. And if you don't have a really good blow dry, then, you know, your hair's not gonna have like that movement that we all love. And so yeah, I'm gonna finish blow drying it. My hair is moving the way that I want it to move. And yeah, I have the sheen. Oh, I love my hair. If you saw in the day before, you saw how like my hair had no movement, and it was just dirty, you know. So it was time to wash it. So hadn't washed it since I got it done last week before we left for Thanksgiving. Got our hair cut and all of that, and so hadn't really even put like a lot of oil in it, didn't put a lot of heat in it, and I am, you know, just wanting to really keep up with my hair and make sure that there's no damage. So yeah, I am ready to flat iron my hair, and I am going to use the Red by Kiss Pencil Ceramic Tourmaline, however you pronounce it, flat iron. I'm going to use it for the back of my hair. It's the one that I always use, y'all, both me and Kim. And then I'm going to, then I'm going to use my EAP heat. I normally use this for after using this one here throughout my whole head, just to make sure that I get deep into the roots. Or sometimes I'll do root and then use this for the shaft. So it just depends on, you know, what I'm feeling that day. Okay guys, so I am back, and as you can see, I have my, oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, that sheen. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. And then of course, yes, on this side too. And then of course, I am, no, that is no oil in my hair. I have no oil in my hair. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty, and it's clean. Oh, it's clean. It's clean. Okay, so I'm going to just kind of, like I said, just go in and do like a little bit of shaping. So this is why I go in after flat ironing my hair and do what I call like shaping. All right, and as you can see, ooh, look at that. Oh my gosh, that's pretty. kind of got the, y'all know on the live I said the Uncle Fester. Actually, what I got though right now is the Romeo from, dang, what's the group? Y'all know, Tia and Tamara, Roger. Go home, Roger. Batman from, y'all about to say Escape. Lord, what the heck is wrong with me? But the group, y'all know the group. Somebody say it in the comments. Immature, that's it. Okay. Y'all can still put it in the comments. Look at that. Oh, that's so pretty. Then it's got the sheen. I'm only gonna use a little bit of this. Only. Because this will have my hair not doing what it needs to do. But I only use a little bit anyways for the flyaways. Ooh, look at that. My goodness. Okay. Alright. So now I'm gonna take a crocodile clip. One of these. It's by Kitsch. I think it's how you pronounce it. Okay, so I am done with both sides, back, front. And I love how it looks. I'm only using that much. Yeah, and look how I still have that movement. So y'all, I'm about to get dressed and head out. Me and Kim are gonna go and run some errands, get some food, and then I'm gonna come back home. And I'm not sure what I'm gonna do.
Let's go on that side up there.
Okay.
You like these in it?
Oh yeah, that could be nice. Those are cranberries, right?
I think so.
Oh no, not with the little, I guess, ice or whatever on them. Is that what that is, ice?
I guess.
So we're just doing that one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like I said, I'll probably get the hook from Amazon.
Okay. Oh, that's cute.
Would this be cute, do you think? No, I think this is cute.
With what?
With my pink shoes.
Oh, you would do brown shoes?
I want to do brown. I saw the brown ones on Zara, but they didn't have them in my size. I saw this really cute pair of brown toe slingbacks, but they didn't have my size.
So guys, we are headed to go and get some food. Kim didn't find the shoe that she's been looking for. That was one of the errands that we were running today. And she's kind of been looking for some heels for her dress for our friend's Sprinkle. But yeah.
As you guys know, I don't know if you guys know this or not, but our cousin is also our trainer. He does remote training with us, and more like on the accountability level. He gave us our meal plan, well, not our meal plan, but our workout plan and stuff like that. And so he makes sure, so yeah, that's a trainer, whatever. But
he's definitely a trainer.
Yeah. So we did our check-in with him yesterday because we do it every Saturday, and we were supposed to do I think we told you guys about our raw diet at the beginning of the month. Well, we didn't do it this month, at the beginning of this month, and so he was kind of excited too yesterday. He was like, oh, so y'all were supposed to do raw this week. And I was like, well, no, we didn't do it because we just we didn't do like the stuff that we do in conjunction with it. And so he was, you could tell he was a little disappointed. And so when we were wrapping up the call, he was like, I would like for you guys to do the raw, you know, food this week, like to do the 3 days. Sometime this month is what he said. And so I was like, you know, the thing is that it's hard to do the raw anyways. And, you know, like it's hard to do it outside of, you know, what we always do. And so, you know, we laughed about it. And I was like, you know, we'll think about it. And then so he was like, okay, cool. You know, we'll think about it. Whatever. So we'll tell him today that we're doing the raw. And so we need to go to the grocery store to get the stuff for that today so that we can be successful.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. No. Y'all, Kim's so rude. Okay, so guys, I love the boxiness of this, and I love the color too. I love how it looks on my skin, and like I said, that boxy oversized look. So I'm gonna get it. It's normally $70, but it's $24, in which $70 is not too bad at all for Nike apparel. So yeah, I'm going to get it because it's cute. Mm-hmm. And it's on sale. Hold on, like a good sale. Okay.
La, 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 la.
Okay. Want to try the salad making kits?
Yeah.
Well, try, but I say try, but we've had those before. The salad making kits, y'all, are really good.
They are.
The salad making kits are easy to like put together. It's just assembling things, and being that our cousin wants us to do you know, raw for this week, it's just gonna be a lot easier to like whip up a salad, and yeah, it's just quicker. Even like with preparing with the 3 days, it can be a little like tasking when you're trying to, you know, make a salad and all that kind of stuff. Oh no, you're not in it, but okay, cool. Okay, my bad, I'm sorry, y'all. But yeah, so it's just easier putting the salad making kits together, you know, because you come in after like walking around, you know, it's like the equivalent of somebody going to work or whatever, coming home from work. You know, we do all the other things that we do too. We just want to come home and relax and like quickly whip up something, which is why it's so easy for us to go and, you know, eat out, because it's quicker. It's quicker to pick it up. But again, we're trying to do better. So yeah, salad making kit it is. We could try together.